stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County until 3:30. At 2:32, a severe thunderstorm was located over Saginaw, drifting south at 15 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Fort Worth, Arlington, Keller, Hurst, Burleson, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, and Azle are all in the path of this complex of thunderstorms. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Tarrant County until 3:30. A severe thunderstorm located over Saginaw, moving south at 15 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Okay, and back in